everyone, let me demonstrate the setting password of the S40 first. So let's first light up the screen. Press asterisk and hashtag to enter the system settings mode. Verify administrator password. The initialized administrator password is 1 to 6. Press hashtag to confirm to enter system mode. Verification successful. Press 1 to add a user. Press 2 to delete the user. Press 3 to enter the settings. Press 4 for network settings. Let's press 1 to add users. 1 add administrator. To add normal user, we press 1 to add the administrator. Enter the password twice. Press hashtag to confirm. Please confirm again. Press hashtag to confirm. Operation successful. Add an administrator. Please add an administrator. Enter fingerprint information 5 times. Press 1 to add an administrator. Enter card information once. Operation successful. The above are all the steps of the X40 settings video.